Do trains help you catch fish? I think they might. What's going on, guys? We are back on the train tracks and I'm looking for a big old bass today. Last night the tornado sirens were going off, so it might have these fish a little stirred up, Anyway, we've got travel rods today. It'd be cool to take these little extension style travel rods. They're made by Sugalang, don't know how to pronounce that. Anyway, got the Shimano Sienna on one and then the Diable Crossfire on another. We are fishing with the brand new Cascray Hellgramite and the fairly new Cascray 3-inch paddle tail in all black, and then the slime time in the Hellgramite. So I think it's going to be the ticket. If not, we've got a lake nearby that we might hit up if we don't get a bite here. Don't know if these muddy water bass are going to be fired up. We are about to find out. Let's go. All right. The water is a little muddy. All we're hoping for is that the fish are active. All right. Drop our bag. We got that evening sun. I'm gonna start off. What am I gonna start with? I've been dying to throw this, guys. The new Hellgramite. Let's go. I hear the train coming. Let's take cover. Ooh. We'll just pop a squat right here. All right, let's answer the age-old question. Does a train going over water, does the vibration help stir up fish? Can't hurt, I guess. I don't know. Let's find out. Train is coming. Oh, and we caught a fish. No way, guys. Is this, hold on. Could I have timed this any better? Guys, do trains help you catch fish? I think the train helped. Either that, or it was the Cascray Hellgramites. Let's go. Well, now that we know the train's not going to pass this way in quite some time, we can go ahead and pick this bridge 100% apart. Nail all these pylons. So I don't know if the train was the mojo, but man, how on cue was that? That was pretty awesome. Let's catch some more. Oh, the train is coming back. Clear the tracks. Well, it didn't take 10 casts to get my first bass on the brand new Hellgramite, and I am pumped for that. Man, when I tell you I have been waiting for our own Hellgramite to come out, man, I love tossing a Helgie around. Anyway, let's go to the lake and see if any of those lake bass are stirred up just like these creek bass are. Let's go. Well, that lake I went to was white-capped and it was not fishable. But we are at another lake today. I'm with the one and only Cincy Fish Dudes, Paul. And Paul's got a big net because he's going carp fishing. I am starting off bass fishing. I might throw little carpy baits here if I don't catch anything, but that's not the plan. I'm throwing some crab slap grubs. Which way are you going?
Pack bait on these European style hair rigs.
Whoa.
I'm feeling lazy today. I'm just gonna sit and read. I don't have Matt's energy to do this a couple days in a row. But
he's got the ultimate carp rig. That's kind of cool.
Yeah, so basically I take that that syrupy corn, strawberry stuff, and I pack it in there, and I had the hook in it, and they kind of feed off of it. These are called bottom, pack feeders, and they just feed off of it. And eventually, they suck in that fake corn in the sea of real corn, and we're on.
I like it. Well, I'm going left, he's going right. Here's to hoping one of us catches some fish.
Yeah, good luck, Matt.
Let's go. Little gear check. We are fishing with the Cascray crap slap grub in Blurple. I got the Titan 2 Runkle Titan 2 spinning reel and the old Shakespeare Excursion medium light action. Also fishing in the ever breathable and durable 8 fans waders and my 8 fans boots. Let's do it. Ooh, water looks great. I'm gonna take a couple casts before I get up on the bank. Well, nothing along that rock wall. I'm gonna go try some of these coves and points, and we'll check in on Paul, see if he's got any of those pack baits hitting any carp yet. It's pretty muddy out here. Look at this.
What was that?
What was that? I don't know. It's a big old swirl. Big old swirl.
Big ass snappy.
Maybe that was the turtle you saw.
Came up right up and looked at me. He's like, I'm gonna go eat your hook. Fuck. I saw him turn around.
Is that yours?
There it is. I thought I left it in the car.
Any tugs? Any pulls?
I don't know.
No movement?
Not yet. Usually takes a little bit for the
Yeah.
smell. Do you see anything?
Nope, not yet. I'm gonna round the corner.
Something around that, yeah.
There we go. Got us a bassy boy. Got a big old scar on him. Just throwing the money mustard. The old crap slap Cascray, the money mustard and the Cascray 3-inch paddle tail. Nicely done. Crack it open with an LMB.
How you doing?
Heck yeah.
How you doing?
Nice.
Got any eggs in there? You too
He's
young?
a little chunky, I don't
Too
know.
young for that? Yeah.
Little fat
Might
belly.
be a she.
Heck yeah.
Nice.
There we go. Oh, the little guy. Man, they are cold still. They are probably down there deep. Little squeaky boy. Well, we're getting close to that area that I thought might be money. There's a lot of down trees right in this area, so hoping they'll be a little bit more active or maybe packed in around that. Really hoping to see if we can get another big old crappie out of this place. There we go. They are on the tree, it looks like. Another little guy. This looks like he might be a spotty. Little squeaky boy. Well, looks like they may be packed in around the trees, which is good because this is a big tree here. A little big old bunch of trees. Tell me this bobber is good. Ooh, might have me an idea. Now I say we take one of these little crap slap minnows and go attack that tree over there with a bobber. Yeah, that's the ticket. Got about, well, about 5 feet of depth.